Hey there, I understand that you're struggling with porn addiction and you're looking for ways to stop watching it. First off, it's important to know that you're not alone and there are many people who have gone through the same thing as you. With that being said, let's talk about some practical steps you can take to overcome this addiction. Step 1. Acknowledge the problem. The first step towards overcoming any addiction is acknowledging that you have a problem. Porn addiction is a real thing, and it can be harmful to your mental, emotional, and physical health. So, it's important to recognize that you have an addiction to pornography and that you want to stop. Step 2. Understand the negative effects of pornography. It's important to understand the negative effects that pornography can have on your life. Pornography can lead to a distorted view of sex and relationships, desensitization to sexual stimuli, and can even lead to erectile dysfunction. Understanding these negative effects can help motivate you to stop watching porn. Step 3. Identify your triggers. One of the most important steps towards overcoming any addiction is identifying your triggers. Triggers are situations or emotions that can lead you to watch porn. For example, you may be triggered by stress, loneliness, or boredom. Once you identify your triggers, you can work on avoiding them or finding healthier ways to cope with them. Step 4. Create a plan. Now that you've identified your triggers, it's time to create a plan to avoid them. This could involve finding healthy hobbies or activities to occupy your time, such as exercise or reading. You could also try blocking access to pornographic websites on your computer or phone. Another option is to seek out support from friends, family, or a therapist. Step 5. Stay accountable. Staying accountable is crucial when it comes to overcoming addiction. Consider telling a trusted friend or family member about your struggle with porn addiction and ask for their support. You could also join a support group or seek out professional help from a therapist. In conclusion, overcoming porn addiction is possible with the right mindset, support, and plan. Remember that it's a process, and you may experience setbacks along the way. But with persistence and determination, you can overcome this addiction and live a healthier, happier life. I hope the information was helpful. Do like, share, and subscribe.